Your question is which one of the following is not matched correctly? Your options are A. Citizenship Part 2 of Constitution, B. Fundamental Rights Part 3 of Constitution, C. Fundamental Duties Part 4A of Constitution, or D. State Part 6 of Constitution. Right answer is C. Fundamental Duties Part 4A of Constitution. Your question is which one among the following is not correctly matched? Provision part of the Constitution, A. Citizenship Part 2, B. The Union Territories Part 7, C. The Municipalities Part 9A, or D. Elections Part 15. Right answer is B. The Union Territories Part 7. Your question is which part of our constitution envisages a three-tier system of panchayats? Your options are A. Part 9, B. Part 10, C. Part 11, or D. Part 12. Right answer is A. Part 9. Your question is which part and chapter of the Indian Constitution deal with the legislative relation between the Union and the states? Your options are A. Part 11 and Chapter 1, B. Part 11 and Chapter 2, C. Part 12 and Chapter 1, or D. Part 12 and Chapter 2. Right answer is A. Part 11 and Chapter 1. Your question is which one of the following schedules of the Indian Constitution lists the names of states and specifies their territories? Your options are A. First, B. Second, C. Third, or D. Fourth. Right answer is A. First. Your question is which of the following are enshrined in the third schedule of the Indian Constitution? First, form of oath of office for a minister for the Union. Second, form of oath to be made by the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Third, form of oath of office for the President of India. Fourth, form of oath to be made by a member of Parliament. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Code A 123, B 234, C 124, or D 1234. Right answer is C 124. Form of oath of office for a minister for the Union. Form of oath to be made by the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Form of oath to be made by a member of Parliament. Your question is fourth schedule of the Constitution of India deals with. Your options are A. Allocation of seats for the Council of States, B. Political defection, C. Panchayat system, or D. Languages. Right answer is A. Allocation of seats for the Council of States. Your question is if a new state of the Indian Union is to be created, which one of the following schedules of the Constitution must be amended? Your options are A. First, B. Second, C. Third, or D. Fourth. Right answer is A. First. Your question is under which schedule of the Constitution of India can be transfer of tribal land to private parties for mining be declared null and void? Your options are A. Third schedule, B. Fifth schedule, C. Ninth schedule, or D. 12th schedule. Right answer is B. Fifth schedule. Your question is which of the following is not correctly matched? Your options are A. Public health and sanitation state list, B. Census union list, C. Allocation of seats in the Council of States second schedule, or D. Anti-defection 10th schedule. Right answer is C. Allocation of seats in the Council of States second schedule.